Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide the search button on the home screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, you want to go down and in here, tap on Home Screen and App Library. Next, we go down to the search section and then tap on Show on Home Screen toggle button. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. This is what happens when you turn off the button. So on your home screen, you no longer can see the search button. And if I switch it on, then on my home screen, there is a search button which I can tap on to quickly open up the search screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.